Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this Temu haul that's mostly birthday decor. I'm going to be showing you the items that we got. And if I can also have clippings of how we use them, I'm going to also insert them in here. All right, so let's start by cutting this package open. All right, so the first item I picked up was this letter S for her name, the beginning of her name. And so it comes with, I believe you gotta use 2 AAA batteries, and then it lights up. It's not white light, but it's very pretty when you add it to whatever decor you have. It's not very big either, but it does the job. So see, we added the batteries and voila. All right, so there it is. We had it on the head table for her, and so that's the first piece. All right, the next item is I want to say an acrylic clear piece. This one, I did also have this on the head table, so this is kind of like a gift, but I also used it as a decor piece on the head table beside the letter S that I showed you guys earlier. I really like it. I think she likes it too. There's a protective film that can be removed. The purpose of the film is to protect the acrylic itself, to make sure that it's not scratched. I love.
But for 16-year-olds.
This is Sweet 16. So
you can keep all your makeup and stuff in it.
Survival kit. So this could carry your personal pepper spray. Her personal belongings can go in here. And it's big. It's actually very decent. Big. It's big. Okay. So that's the other item.
20 makes 40.
Surprisingly, it's not broken. That is so weird. Coming inside this little bag. So, and that's not true. Because I was wondering. See? The bottom part is broken. So I lost 1 cup on the bottom.
So that's 39.
Which it would, because like with this plastic bag that you're transporting these things in, here's another one slightly broken right here. It's crazy.
Comes with spoons.
Yeah, but I bought spoons, like I have spoons.
It's big.
So it was 3 packs of this.
I hope that one's not broken.
Oh, it is badly too. Oh no. So I lost.
It looks like you lost a lot.
So I lost 2 from this. So this is 2 right here. I'm not even gonna try to pull them apart. So I repurchased these on Amazon. They are, I want to say, the same thing. The spoons are a little bit different. I bought gold spoons otherwise, but the cups are literally the same thing. And I bought them on Amazon and they are packaged nicely. This is how Temu should be packaging their stuff. Oh, cute is this? Yeah. The purse is also a little bit dented based on just the fact that it's in here.
That bag.
Yeah.
And they're just throwing it on the sidewalk. That's my guess.
But it's a pretty purse.
Okay, get out the handle.
It's a pretty purse. Comes with a chain strap here. And this. So it is a pretty purse, but you can tell
it's dented.
That it was man-handled, like right here.
Because there's a little bit of paint on it.
But it's pretty. I guess it can do. It'll have to do.
It will have to do. What are those?
For balloons. This bag is not a toy. So this is if you're going to use like a table. It's like a table decoration for balloons. This one is for a little mermaid that I know. So this one is for Soiree. She's into mermaids, so this one is for you.
Perfect.
Alright, hold on. So let's show. This is, I love this. I love the material on the outside. And then there's like a protective layer on the inside. So yeah, that's yours, miss.
When I get pepper spray, I'm gonna put it inside.
And then I also got mermaid balloons.
For me?
With the number L90.
But my birthday already passed.
So I got 2 sets.
But mom, my birthday already passed.
But we're gonna use the set. So I got 2 sets of these.
How do we use them?
Is this little brooch?
For me?
No. For hair. The goal was to put this at the back of her hair. Depending on what the style is gonna be. This is supposed to be like the sign-in book. I bought like another card, something similar, but in a card form. It was meant. So this is something that you could use for like the sign-in of the party. When people come, they could sign their names on here. But I bought the same thing in a card form. So I may use this. So all we need with this is, so all people are gonna do is just put their names on here. And then she'll put this in a picture frame. And I think I like this better than the card. Let me grab the card. The card came from Amazon. So it's basically the same thing. You have been loved and counting. So I think I'm gonna go with this one because we can put this one in a picture frame. And I was not too pleased with this because it came bent. I feel like if you're gonna ship a card the same way you're gonna ship like these plastic containers, you have to put them, I don't know, in a box. You cannot ship this from so far and expect it to all come together just like that of the amount. But this one, this I bought from Amazon, so this I'm gonna return. So I think I'm gonna keep this. I'll use 2-side tape to kind of set this flat like this, and then people will sign on here, and this will be our little guest book. So this was how the sign-in was used. We also got floating beads, but of course, you know, you're going to need clear vase fillers for these to look extra pretty. I also picked up fringe. I got about 3 pieces of these. I picked up 18-inch balloons. If you want to see a full video of the decorations, you can check out Queen Noya right here on YouTube.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.